Woohoo! Welcome to Perlis!
Welcome to Perlis! Thanks, guys. So we actually spent last night in Kangar, which is the capital city of Perlis, and we did a short 20-minute hike that was super memorable.
Just be careful, it's very steep.
So we've been really blown away by the local kind of kampung vibes in Perlis.
That's
the
right.
capital city felt like a kampung. You saw all the rice paddies all around.
Hills, miles and miles.
Beautiful.
And beautiful limestone hills.
Relaxing place, just amazing. We got up this morning, we left Kangar, and we've come to
Padang Besar.
Padang Besar, which is one of the most northern points of Malaysia. And we've found this really incredible green hostel to stay at. And all those fields you just saw, that's actually Thailand. So I was asking the owner of the hostel, I said, is there a river running along the border? What's between Malaysia and Thailand? He said, it's just a road. I said, really? Can I go there and walk along? He said, I think so. So I think next stop we'll go to the road that is in two countries.
Ooh, how cool.
Let's go check it out. See?
In between two countries. Malaysia, Thailand, Malaysia, Thailand, Malaysia, Thailand.
There you have it, guys. And you can see the Green Inn right there. So we're a good, 200 meters from our hostel. And this fence is Thailand.
The fence.
So actually over here,
Wow.
Ivana, you're still in Malaysia.
Yeah.
But you're close. And evidently, we shouldn't even really be here. It's not
Yeah.
a real street to drive on.
Yeah, you cannot
But
really walk.
because our property is right connected to the road here, we just jumped across to
This
say
is
hello.
Just on the backyard.
Well,
of
I
our-
tell you what, Ivana. All this Thailand talk has got me thinking about some Thai food.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. Let's go grab some food at the market right there, the big market. Let's go.
Let's go. I think there's some history here in Perlis because a lot of these buildings look like they're 50 or more years old. Looking for Thai food, but it feels like I'm in Chinatown, right?
Yeah, there's quite a Chinese community here, but I'm pretty sure we can find some Thai food in the market. Go to the big market.
Look at these streets, man. Everything's so gnarly and half broken, but still functional, still being used for business. I'm trying to look for Thai food, but I keep getting distracted. Look at these streets. They're just awesome, no? Exactly! It's such a good conclusion to the street. I think all these buildings are 50 plus years old, and at least all the roofs of them are all rusted, broken down cars. Wow, what a street. Okay, next stop, Thai food.
Okay, we are at Arked Niaga, the biggest market in Perlis. As you can see, it's already crowded. And if it wasn't because of COVID, it's gonna be like really packed, like shoulder to shoulder, because we'll get sellers from Thailand crossing the border to sell all their goods. So we got two sections of the market. In front of me there, later on we'll go, is the section that sell t-shirts, bags, and other goods, and here is the food section. So let's see if we can some goodies.
Let's go. This place is like Walmart on steroids.
Pajamas, t-shirts. I believe all this stuff are from Thailand because it's cheaper to get it from there, I think.
Oh, international goods.
Right.
All the bags here are so huge.
Let me wait first.
Wait, okay.
I don't want to buy it. I'm just interested how much it is.
Yeah.
Around.
1 kilo about 28 ringgit.
Oh, okay.
I don't think people buy the whole
10
thing.
ringgit or 5 ringgit.
But who buys this? A whole family. It's like for me, 1 year.
I think they open it and scoop it.
I
Okay,
think
leave my ring.
I think they weigh the Kuwait can buy per kilo. No, they don't buy the
Nobody
whole
actually
thing.
buys the whole thing like this.
Yeah, nobody.
Ah, nobody. Oh, okay.
Nobody.
Okay.
So these are all Malaysian Kuwait, I think.
Yeah.
They're not Thai.
No, not Thai.
Yeah.
I wonder if we'll find a Thai section.
Maybe.
Let's keep
look
looking.
at Ken.
What do you say, Ivana? Tom Yum?
Want tom yum?
I can go for Tom Yum.
Okay. Tom yum, they also have the sticky rice with mango.
Mango sticky rice.
Oh, let's get one of those. Let's get one of those. Oh, the Tom Yum is in a coconut.
Yeah.
Oh, that's special. I'm gonna have Tom Yum in a coconut.
What is
Okay.
Nyok?
I don't know.
That means inside a coconut.
Nyok means inside the coconut? I don't think so.
Ah, thank you.
What did you get, Ivana?
Lychee can.
This is a meal or dessert?
This is dessert from fruits. From fruits.
Oh, lychee.
Yes.
Oh.
Lychee.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So enjoy.
Thank you. Nice guy.
Ooh, sour.
What's happening in your bowl there? It's lychee and it's
Lychee.
I think there's corn in the bottom, or maybe it's barley.
So much ice.
Barley.
Ooh, it looks like a.
This is classic Asian food.
Oh yeah, barley. You got barley and what's the seed? Chia seed.
A little bit of everything, I think.
Refreshing and good, and it got some.
Chin-chow.
Yeah, I forgot the name, and then you remember it. How?
Been here for a long time.
Chin chow, chia seed, and lychee. Lychee kang. First time trying lychee kang. Someone recommended it to me.
This is Thai? No, this is Malay.
I think it's Malaysian.
I think it's Malaysian.
Pretty refreshing. Good.
So this is a pre-lunch dessert. Travel style. I tell you what, Ken, I don't think it's Ivana's healthy week. She's got
Probably not.
dessert and another dessert. So this
You
is
never tried mango sticky rice?
Never.
me neither.
Ah, that
It's
is.
from Thailand, right?
Yeah, it's very popular. I don't know if it's from Thailand, but it's really popular in Thailand. And
So
it's a very sweet dessert, like coconut rice with coconut milk. I think they make it.
And mango.
And mango, of
What's
course.
this
I mean,
thing?
it looks good.
What is this stuff?
I never saw this on top of it before.
This is a Malaysian twist, maybe.
Yeah, maybe a Malaysian
It's really
flair.
good, yeah.
I mean,
Let's
it looks
try it.
good. It's coconut, mango, and rice. What could be better than that? Oh, Ivana, that looks good.
Let's see. Amazing.
Is it good?
How good.
You know what it reminds me of? Pulut durian.
It reminds me of pulut durian. This is pulut manga.
Oh, okay, it is.
Mango sticky rice.
It is, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good, Ivana.
Can I try a little
Yeah.
bit?
Yeah, don't be shy, don't
Your
be shy.
spoon? Oh, yeah, 4 spoons.
This is a
the
Thailand veteran.
The
telling
last time
us,
I had it was last year in Thailand.
so you can tell us if it's
see.
authentic.
Yeah.
If it tastes like Thailand.
Here's some mango.
Oh, it's pretty good. Wow.
Good.
Oh, the coconut flavor. Wow, amazing.
Good, right?
Super good.
Super good.
Super setup.
Super sedap.
Wow.
Try it.
Ken. Mango, rice, and coconut, and some mystery yellow seeds. If we were smart, we would know what that was. Can we figure it out?
No clue.
Oh, it's warm. Oh, it's
Yeah.
warm. I was really expecting cold. Some kind of dessert, cool, ice cream, ABC type thing. Oh, it's quite good, but it's warm.
Good, right?
Yeah, it's quite good. Is there any sugar in this? I don't think so.
Yeah, I think the coconut milk is with sugar.
Coconut milk is with
Yeah,
sugar.
yeah.
This,
Yeah, it's good. It's
this
really good.
one or pull durian?
Pull durian.
Ooh.
Pull durian.
Durian.
Durian is the best fruit in the whole world.
Ken?
No, I totally disagree with that.
It is good.
Good, right?
5 stars.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What a
It's
special dish.
actually a big portion.
Is that food or art?
This might cost 30 ringgit.
That's okay. Don't be afraid.
Wow.
Look at this, guys. This is really something. This is a masterpiece. Look at it. You got squid in there. You got all the fixins, onions, tomatoes, green stuff. You got shrimp over here.
Wow.
Should say prawns because I'm in Malaysia. Looks spicy. It's in a coconut.
Oh.
This is really special.
It looks like the best tom yum I will ever have.
Best
in my
tom
life.
yum you'll ever have. Let's dig in. Feel bad destroying this masterpiece. What do I do? Just start smushing it?
Oh, I guess so. Ooh, coconut.
Oh,
There's some coconut
they
pieces.
just shaved it right off the inside.
Ooh.
Wow, this is really special. Ooh, look how big the coconut piece is. Ooh, oh, really hot. Woo.
It
This
looks
is really
so
something.
good.
By the way, the smell coming off this right now, very nice. Sauce for, ooh, Benjir.
What is it?
This.
Oh, okay. Taste it. Thank you. Thank you.
Extra chili.
Tasting bowl for you to have some. Nice guy. Look at the soup, very oily and delicious. Classic tom yam, orange and red. Oh, that's good tom yam. Very sour.
Very sour.
Oh, it's good tom
Spicy?
yam.
Very
Spicy, sour, beautiful, and delicious. What more could you want?
sour. Wow. Honestly, this meal looks so fancy.
Oh, it's so good. I don't care if it costs 30 ringgits. It's worth 30 ringgits. Wow, look at this, guys.
Wow.
I feel like, you know what? I feel like a tourist again. Right? Before, we were always eating like locals. Just local char kway teow, local nasi lemak. This is tourist food. Look at this. So, obviously, 5 stars. Amazing tom yum.
Okay, let me
Unfortunately,
try
I think it might take me half an hour to eat this. So, be patient.
some. Got prawns, man. Looks so good.
Looks good, right?
Can
Huge
you
prawns.
peel them?
Can I what?
Can you peel them? Do you know how to open them?
Oh, that alone will take me about 10 minutes.
Okay,
Look at this,
I'm gonna
man.
try
This is
some.
really something.
Let me try some.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Look at this sotong, man. I'm gonna eat it with rice. Sotong.
Yvonne's got 2 desserts and then tom yum and coconut.
I'm hungry.
This might be the best day of your life.
That's right. I didn't eat anything today.
You're supposed to say it was the day that I met you, Steve.
Okay, I'm going for the prawns.
Prawns.
So big and juicy. Oh my gosh. So flavorful. Sour, sweet, tangy. Oh, it wakes you up. Spicy.
This is one of those videos that watching you is making me hungry. I'm sure you're making the people at home hungry.
One of the best tom yum here. Look at this.
Ooh, there's a good bite. Oh, tentacle madness.
So good. So much flavor. Lemongrass, chili, cilantro.
So what makes it sour? Is it vinegar or is it tamarind?
I think it is from lime.
Lime. Oh,
I think it's lime.
well, good guess, Steve.
Coconut.
Coconut.
This meal is too good.
This is too good.
I'm done. So good.
So good. Wow.
5 stars. Maybe 6 stars.
Bing, bing. Good one, Ivana. Okay, let's eat and then we'll see what else we can see in first impressions of Perlis.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, we're on the other market now across the street. I can't even stand and talk. My stomach is about to explode.
Oh, you're actually sitting down.
Every meal in Malaysia the same. I say, oh, I'll just eat a little bit, and then I eat so much and my stomach hurts, and I think to myself, man, that was good.
That's right.
To be clear, the best tom yum we've ever had.
Oh, I'm gonna
So
change
good.
my rating. 10 stars.
10 stars.
For the tom yum. That was the best tom yum I've ever had ever.
Boom.
The best Thai food in Malaysia can be found here in Perlis.
It was amazing food,
I
guys.
can say that. Even the mango pulut, the sticky rice mango was like
Amazing.
It surprised me.
So here we are in another crowded market. You can see lots of things happening. We're waiting for our friend Ken to hopefully find a soccer jersey. Make sure to check out Ken's channel, Ken Abroad. Lots of good Perlis stuff. I should say Perlis stuff
Perlis
on our
or
road trip.
Perlis?
Perlis.
Perlis.
There's Ken here trying to make a photo bomb of our entrance. Oh, pretending to look for stuff.
Do you think he'll find it? Who knows? Anyway,
Better check Ken's video to find out.
I had a great time. I don't know about you, but I had a great time in Perlis from the time we entered Kangar, the capital city. I can already see paddy fields from miles and miles and miles and beautiful limestone hills. And then the food is delicious. Thai food here is delicious. And the city of Padang Besar.
Love the drive. Some of
Yeah.
them really relaxing, beautiful drives. I love how everywhere feels like Kampung, and in the Kampungs you have super friendly people. So you have
That's
the
right.
capital of the whole state, and the
Yes,
people are
and-
friendly and taking their time, and no one's in a rush.
That's right.
Very relaxed Kampung vibe. So
It
far,
feels different
so
here.
good in Perlis.
It feels different here in Perlis than anywhere else in Malaysia.
True fact.
Don't you feel?
True fact.
It feels like in a ruler like Vietnam or something. But we're in Malaysia.
Looks like Vietnam too, with the big limestone rocks bursting up.
Yeah, beautiful. I love it.
Love it.
Love it. I
There you have it,
cannot
guys.
Wait to explore more.
Stay tuned for more Perlis good stuff coming your way. See you guys in the next one.
See ya.
Later. Woo! Stuff to the gills. Kenyang are to there. Oy, oy, oy.
Good food.
Oh, man. There we go. This will be our first Thai product, Ivana. Look at some Thai drinks here.